So I will be showing some of the content that the students will be doing through Learning Outcome 1. So this is created from tutorial 1 through SolidWorks. I don't have it because it's not enlisted in the license that I got from the college. However, they will be able to get it through college and CIT. So it gives them a step-by-step guide on how to complete it, but however the teacher will be guiding them through, demonstrating it through the projector inside the lab, showing the basics, like basic commands of SolidWorks, sketching the planes, extruding, cutting, filleting, all of these, helping the student. So then as they do tutorial 1 to 3, they will be moving on to more practical modelling of SolidWorks, such as here we have a rim, and then we have a turbine here. So all these will be up on YouTube as well, if for the students to do in their own time. So also for activity sheets to be given out to the students, these are kind of this is for building into Learning Outcome 2 of their projections. So each box here is 10 mil, and they must construct the 3D model here. So they'll be able to do that in their own time, and also use Google Classroom to submit their models and be able to peer assess each other, see if they get it right. So this is the model here that they would have made, and the students be able to collaborate and able to get the right images. So that starts off basic enough, and they'll move on to more complex images or pictures like this. So it improves their visualization, their spatial thinking prior for the next learning outcomes. So here we have more features to do, and this will build them on to Learning Outcome 4, where they're producing vehicle parts and more complex SolidWorks.